CW here. I got a present in the mail. I figured I would bring you guys along to open it. It's from Walter. To me. That's a lot of money, Walter. I didn't even know it was coming. I don't even know what it is. It's still wet. I just brought it in from the front porch. Thank you. Let's see what's in here. I just sharpened up my knife today, so it should be good and sharp again. Let's hope I don't cut myself here on the screen, because I've been doing that lately. I got a good one over here, and I got a good one over here, and I got this one here washing dishes. Stuck it right in my wrist. Oh, there's a note here. There's a note here right on top. I'll set this aside, or maybe I should read it first. Let's read it after. See what we got in here. Got some. Uh-oh. What did he do? What did he do? What do we got here? Fruit. Cherry Olea berry preserves. Never heard of them. Okay. And we got another one over here. True blueberry. Nice. Some packing materials. I've got a bottle of something. We were talking about this a while back. Different syrups and stuff. Wonder if that's what he's talking about here. I thought it was a boysenberry or something like that he was talking about, though. Well, we're going to try them. Thank you very much. They made it fine. No problems. Thank you, sir. Let's see what his message says here. Oh, it looks like it's an outright. Oh, no, it's not too bad. Let's see here. Breakfast goodies. Comes from a farm up in the coastal town of Cambria. Blueberry is self-explanatory. The Olea berry is a cross between blackberry and boysenberry. Oh. So there's a pretty good. Okay. So we got blueberry. Obviously, everybody knows blueberry. We got some preserves. And this is Olea berry. This is the one he says is a cross between blackberries and boysenberries. And we got syrup and preserves. Thank you very much. I was thinking of making some pancakes here soon. Maybe we'll do that and try out these syrups. Thank you very much, sir. And I also noticed that they're less sugar, which is nice. We got to watch your sugars. Very, very good. Thank you, Walter. Most appreciated. Doesn't always have to be gun stuff to be good stuff, guys. This is great. This is great. If you don't know, or hadn't figured it out by our chats, Walter and I talk pretty much every day. Text message, back and forth, and phone call once in a while. But we talk, obviously, every Friday night, so we get a lot of stuff off our chests there. But, yeah, we talking with Roger. I'm trying to think of his handle because I never call him by his handle, so I don't think of his handle that you guys know him as. Always talk about, we're talking all about boysenberries and how one of his favorite companies they either went out of business or they stopped being offered in his area. And it must have been out of business because I looked around here for me and I checked on Amazon here. And although there was some, it was very expensive and he thought that it was going to be running out or going away or disappearing or whatever. So he had to find a good alternative, and I think he found something, and maybe it was this stuff. I don't know. It was a while ago we were talking about it. So very cool. I will let you know, Walter. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Most appreciated. God bless everybody. CW out.